Well, thank you for being willing to do this conversation together with your little squirmy cutie. Would you like to just introduce your family?
Yes.
To me, to everyone?
Sure. All right, well, I'm Katie, and I have a husband named Adam, and in October, we adopted our little baby Miles. He's right here.
So how old is he now?
5 months.
Oh boy, very, very cute. Well, I thought today we could talk about adoption. It's a very cultural thing too. So to hear like your ideas about it, the process, the reactions of other people. I think that my students who live all around the world would find that really interesting because it's different in every country.
Oh.
The perceptions and how it works and all of that.
Awesome. Well, we decided to do a domestic adoption because for us, travel within the United States was just an easier thing to do.
Okay.
So that was the main reason behind that. We signed up with a consulting agency, and they were great. The consulting agency essentially helped us find matches with birth mothers because they're connected to adoption placement agencies all over the country.
Okay.
And so we would get an email that would say, this is the history of the birth mother, these are her medical stats, these are her preferences about how her child is raised and future contact and all that stuff.
Okay.
And so then we would look at that profile, decide whether we were interested in her.
Okay.
And then she would get shown the profiles of all the families that were interested in her and in her future child.
So these were all unborn children at this point. It was just pregnant mothers who were looking for a family for their...
Yes, because we had decided for us, we wanted a brand new baby. We wanted to be there when they were born and have them the moment they were born.
Yeah.
And so, And so we started our process in March of 2025.
Okay, so you got March 2025. And then you got the baby in October?
Yes. So this is what happened.
So fast.
It was lightning fast. So it takes 3 months to get approved. So you have to go through a home study process where a social worker comes and visits your home.
Okay.
Make sure everything is clean and safe.
Did you guys have to like do anything or like make any changes?
So we thought we were going to, and so I had us clean, like top down, like so much cleaning. And then she came in, she walked around, and she goes, smoke detectors, great. And that was about it in terms of the cleanliness assessment.
So you had smoke detectors and that was it?
We had smoke detectors, fire extinguishers. She was just worried about but I will say then later in the home study report, there is a section on cleanliness and she put excellent. Okay, so we didn't clean for no reason.
Okay, so she was looking at other stuff. Well, as we need to put him down probably for sleep soon, I'm wondering, in conclusion, do you have any thoughts or advice to someone who might be considering,
It's trichoplasty. He's very sleepy.
Oh, yeah. Do you have any advice or thoughts for someone who might be considering adoption? What would you say? Like, I'm thinking about it.
I will say that for us, it's been an incredible experience. I would also say to make sure to vet your agency very carefully, because within every state, there are multiple different agencies that operate differently. And so you need to think about your budget, the level of communication you would like to have with an agency, and also whether their values match your values. But there's all kinds of choices like that. And also, I read countless online reviews. We looked at dozens and dozens of companies, and we had multiple interviews with the heads of those companies before choosing the one we went with.
Wow, so a lot of footwork, but it's worth it.
Oh, so worth it. And the thing is, I also know people who didn't do any of that and have had a great time.
Yeah. But it's good to know that, like, if you're the kind of person that can handle that, put in the footwork, do a couple interviews, make sure that the group you're going with is one that you feel comfortable with in your gut and from reviews and all of that. Yeah, I think that's a really, good starting point.
Yeah, and I'll say it has been the best experience of my life. So I have no regrets at all, and he's just the very best. And I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
Well, we love you, baby Miles. Yeah. Oh, you're going to grow up and be so great. Yeah, well, thank you so much for talking about all of this. I know it's a very personal, vulnerable thing, but thank you, and we are very happy for you guys.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we'll say thank you.